Hello aspirant, कैसे हैं आप सब? This is the another question for today Telegram. This question has been asked in the UPSC 2024. This question is related to the number system and under topic remainder. अगर हम क्वेश्चन को देखें तो स्टेटमेंट बहुत बड़ा है, but this is an easy question if you are looking it's with a smart view. The question is saying 421 and the 427 when divided by the same numbers leave the same remainder. How many numbers can be used as the divisor in order to get the same remainder one? तो कितने डिविजर्स सेम हो सकते हैं टू गेट द सेम नंबर, तो वो हमें पता करना है सिंपल सा. तो वी आर हैविंग अ टू नंबर 421 एंड द 427. तो यहाँ पे हमें डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स का पता होना चाहिए. 2 से वो नंबर डिविजिबल होता है जिसके पीछे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 हो. 3 से वो नंबर डिविजिबल होता है जहाँ पे सम हो दोनों का. 6 से वो नंबर डिविजिबल होता है जो 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल हो. सो इन दिस केस वी कैन से 421 अगर मैं यहाँ से 1 माइनस कर दूं इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, एंड अगर 1 भी माइनस करूंगा इट ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 3 एज वेल. सिमिलरली विद द केस ऑफ 427 अगर मैं यहाँ के सम ऐड करता हूँ 4 to 6 प्लस 7 है यहाँ पर सम, और यहाँ पे सम 7 to 9 13 है. अगर हम इनमें 1 माइनस कर दे, दोनों से 1 माइनस करेंगे तो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 डिविजिबल बाय 3 एज वेल. So 421 when divided by 2 it will leave remainder 1. When it will divide by 3 it will also leave the remainder 1. Similarly यहाँ पे हमने देखा 2 और 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो 6 से भी डिवाइड होगा. If we are dividing it with the 6 it will also leave the remainder 1. And the same case with the 427. If we are dividing it by 2 it will leave the remainder 1. Divide by 3 it will leave the remainder 1. Divide by 6 it will leave the remainder 1. So there can be only the 3 case possible when 421 and 427 are divided by the numbers and leave the same remainder. This is the one idea to solve this question. The another idea to solve this question is the very different. In the second idea, what you people can do, you can subtract the 1 from both the options like the 421 say and the 427 say. We will subtract 1. If I'm subtracting 1 from here and subtracting 1 from here, I'm getting 420 and the 426. 420 is divisible by 2 directly. It is also divisible by 3 directly and it also divisible by 6 directly. There is no another number जहाँ से divisible हो रहा है. Similarly, in the case of it is also divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6. So these are the numbers which can be say number can be used to division in order to get the same remainder. So only the 2, 3 and the 6 are the divisible in which we are getting the same remainder. So the answer of this question will be 3 here. So at Adukami, we started our CSET channel, the CSET for the UPSC. You can join the CSET channel to get the maximum out of it. We are also going to launch the CSET batches in the September, so stay tuned for it.